Welcome. Today, we're diving into the concept of net worth, a term you've probably heard in conversations about personal finance, celebrities, or even companies. But what does it really mean? Net worth is essentially a snapshot of your financial health at a given moment. It tells you how much you truly own after subtracting what you owe. Understanding your net worth is the first step toward taking control of your finances, setting realistic goals, and tracking your progress over time. Let's break down what net worth is and why it matters for everyone, not just the wealthy. Net worth is a simple yet powerful concept. It's the total value of everything you own minus everything you owe. In other words, it's your assets minus your liabilities. Assets are things like cash, investments, property, and valuable possessions. Liabilities include debts like loans, mortgages, and credit card balances. When you subtract your total liabilities from your total assets, you get your net worth. This number can be positive or negative, depending on your financial situation. Knowing your net worth helps you understand where you stand financially and what steps you might need to take next. Understanding your net worth isn't just about having a number to brag about. It's a crucial tool for financial planning. Your net worth gives you a clear picture of your overall financial health. It helps you see if you're moving in the right direction. Are you building wealth, or are debts piling up? Tracking your net worth over time can motivate you to save more, spend wisely, and reduce debt. It's also useful for setting financial goals, like buying a home, saving for retirement, or planning for your children's education. In short, knowing your net worth empowers you to make smarter money decisions. Let's start with assets. Assets are everything you own that has value. This includes cash in your bank accounts, stocks, bonds, retirement accounts, real estate, vehicles, jewelry, and even valuable collectibles. Some assets, like your home or car, might lose value over time, while others, like investments, can grow. When calculating your net worth, it's important to list all your assets and estimate their current market value as accurately as possible. This gives you a realistic starting point for your financial assessment. Now, let's talk about liabilities. Liabilities are debts or obligations you owe to others. Common examples include mortgages, car loans, student loans, credit card balances, and any other personal loans. These amounts reduce your net worth because they represent money you're responsible for paying back. When listing your liabilities, make sure to include the current outstanding balances, not the original loan amounts. This ensures your net worth calculation is up to date and accurate. Calculating your net worth is straightforward. The formula is net worth equals total assets, total liabilities. First, add up the value of all your assets. Next, total up all your liabilities. Finally, subtract the liabilities from the assets. The result is your net worth. This calculation gives you a single number that summarizes your financial position. It's a good idea to update this calculation regularly, such as once a year, to track your progress. The first step in calculating your net worth is to make a comprehensive list of all your assets. Go through your bank accounts, investment statements, property deeds, and any other records of valuable items you own. Don't forget to include less obvious assets, like collectibles or jewelry. Assign a current market value to each item. Being thorough and realistic here ensures your net worth calculation is as accurate as possible. Next, list all your liabilities. Review your loan statements, credit card bills, and any other documents showing what you owe. Make sure to record the current outstanding balances, not the original amounts. This step is crucial for an honest assessment of your financial situation. If you have joint debts, include only your share. Being precise here will help you get a true picture of your net worth. Once you've listed all your assets, add up their values to get your total assets. Double-check your numbers to make sure you haven't missed anything. This total represents the full value of everything you own. It's a key part of your net worth calculation, so accuracy is important. If you're unsure about the value of certain items, consider getting a professional appraisal. Now, total up all your liabilities. Add together the outstanding balances of your loans, credit cards, and any other debts. This sum represents the total amount you owe. Just like with assets, accuracy here is crucial. If you have debts with variable balances, use the most recent statement for your calculation. With your total assets and total liabilities calculated, it's time for the final step. Subtract your total liabilities from your total assets. The result is your net worth. This number gives you a clear, honest view of your financial position. Whether it's positive or negative, it's a starting point for making informed financial decisions and setting future goals. Your net worth can be either positive or negative. A positive net worth means your assets are greater than your liabilities. You own more than you owe. This is generally a sign of good financial health. A negative net worth means your debts exceed your assets. While this can be concerning, it's not uncommon, especially for young people with student loans or new homeowners. The important thing is to track your net worth and work toward improving it over time. Let's look at a simple example. Suppose you have $10,000 in savings, $5,000 in investments, and a car worth $8,000. Your total assets are $23,000. Now, let's say you owe $4,000 on your car loan and $3,000 on your credit card. Your total liabilities are $7,000. Subtracting liabilities from assets, your net worth is $16,000. This example shows how straightforward the calculation can be. Calculating your net worth once is helpful, but tracking it over time is even more valuable. By updating your net worth regularly, say every 6 months or once a year, you can see trends in your financial health. Are your assets growing? Are you paying down debt? Tracking these changes helps you stay motivated and make adjustments to your financial plan as needed. Knowing your net worth helps you set realistic financial goals. Whether you want to save for a house, pay off debt, or build an emergency fund, understanding where you stand is the first step. Your net worth acts as a baseline, allowing you to measure progress and celebrate milestones along the way. Setting clear goals based on your net worth can make your financial journey more focused and rewarding. If your net worth isn't where you want it to be, don't worry. There are practical steps you can take to improve it. Focus on increasing your assets by saving more, investing wisely, and growing your income. At the same time, work on reducing your liabilities by paying down debt and avoiding unnecessary borrowing. Small, consistent changes can make a big difference over time. To boost your net worth, focus on increasing your assets. This could mean saving more money, investing in stocks or real estate, or acquiring valuable skills that increase your earning potential. Even small increases in your assets can have a significant impact over time, especially when combined with reducing liabilities. Reducing your liabilities is just as important as increasing your assets. Start by paying off high-interest debt, like credit cards. Consider consolidating loans or refinancing to lower your interest rates. Avoid taking on new debt unless absolutely necessary. Every dollar you pay off increases your net worth and reduces financial stress. Building an emergency fund is a key part of improving your net worth. An emergency fund is money set aside for unexpected expenses, like medical bills or car repairs. Having this safety net prevents you from going into debt when life throws you a curveball. Aim to save 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses in your emergency fund. Investing is one of the most effective ways to grow your assets and increase your net worth. Consider options like stocks, bonds, mutual funds, or real estate. The key is to start early, invest consistently, and diversify your investments to manage risk. Over time, the power of compound interest can significantly boost your net worth. As your income grows, it's tempting to increase your spending. This is known as lifestyle inflation, and it can prevent your net worth from growing. Instead, try to keep your expenses in check and save or invest the extra income. This discipline will help you build wealth faster and achieve your financial goals sooner. Regularly reviewing your budget is essential for managing your net worth. Track your income and expenses to identify areas where you can cut back or save more. Adjust your budget as your financial situation changes. A well-managed budget supports your efforts to increase assets and reduce liabilities. Your net worth plays a big role in retirement planning. Knowing your current net worth helps you estimate how much more you need to save for a comfortable retirement. It also guides your investment decisions and helps you track progress toward your retirement goals. Start planning early to give your assets time to grow. Before making major purchases, like buying a home or car, consider how it will affect your net worth. Large purchases can increase your assets, but they often come with new liabilities. Make sure you can afford the payments and that the purchase fits your long-term financial plan. Being mindful of your net worth helps you make smarter buying decisions. Your net worth can influence your creditworthiness. Lenders look at your assets and liabilities when deciding whether to approve loans or credit cards. A higher net worth can make it easier to qualify for credit and get better interest rates. Managing your net worth responsibly can open doors to financial opportunities. Achieving financial independence means having enough assets to cover your living expenses without relying on a paycheck. Tracking your net worth helps you measure progress toward this goal. As your net worth grows, you gain more freedom and security. It's a long-term journey, but every step counts. Building wealth is about increasing your net worth over time. This involves growing your assets, reducing your liabilities, and making smart financial choices. Wealth building isn't just for the rich. It's possible for anyone with discipline and a plan. Start small, stay consistent, and watch your net worth grow. When calculating net worth, people often make mistakes like overestimating asset values or forgetting to include certain debts. It's important to be realistic and thorough. Double-check your numbers, update values regularly, and don't leave out any liabilities. Accurate calculations lead to better financial decisions. Inflation affects the value of your assets and liabilities over time. As prices rise, the real value of your money can decrease. When tracking your net worth, consider how inflation might impact your long-term financial goals. Investing in assets that outpace inflation can help protect and grow your net worth. Taxes can have a significant impact on your net worth. Income taxes, property taxes, and capital gains taxes all affect how much of your assets you actually keep. Understanding your tax obligations and planning accordingly can help you maximize your net worth and avoid surprises. Insurance protects your assets and helps preserve your net worth. Health, home, auto, and life insurance can prevent unexpected events from wiping out your savings. Make sure you have adequate coverage for your needs and review your policies regularly to stay protected. Estate planning ensures your assets are distributed according to your wishes after you're gone. It also helps minimize taxes and legal complications for your heirs. A solid estate plan can protect your net worth and provide peace of mind for you and your loved ones. Discussing net worth with your family can help everyone get on the same page financially. It encourages transparency, shared goals, and better decision-making. Whether you're planning for college, buying a home, or saving for retirement, understanding your family's net worth is a powerful tool. For business owners, net worth includes both personal and business assets and liabilities. It's important to separate your personal finances from your business finances for accurate calculations. Understanding your combined net worth helps you make better decisions for both your personal life and your business. Young adults often have a negative net worth due to student loans or starting out in their careers. This is normal and nothing to be ashamed of. The key is to focus on building assets, paying down debt, and tracking progress. Over time, your net worth will improve as you gain experience and increase your income. Major life events like marriage, having children, or changing careers can have a big impact on your net worth. These events often come with new assets and liabilities. It's important to recalculate your net worth after major changes to stay on top of your finances and adjust your plans as needed. Managing debt is a crucial part of maintaining and growing your net worth. Develop a strategy for paying off high-interest debts first and avoid taking on new debt unless necessary. Good debt management habits will help you build a stronger financial foundation. Working with a financial advisor can help you understand and grow your net worth. Advisors can provide personalized advice, help you set goals, and create a plan for building wealth. If you're unsure where to start, consider consulting a professional for guidance. There are many tools and apps available to help you track your net worth. These tools can automate calculations, update values, and provide visual charts to show your progress. Using technology makes it easier to stay organized and motivated on your financial journey. As your net worth grows, you may want to consider giving back to your community or supporting causes you care about. Charitable giving can be a rewarding part of your financial plan. It's important to balance generosity with your own financial needs and goals. A strong net worth provides financial security and peace of mind. It acts as a buffer against unexpected expenses and gives you more options in life. Building and maintaining your net worth is one of the best ways to ensure a stable and secure future for yourself and your family. Your mindset plays a big role in building net worth. Staying positive, setting goals, and being disciplined with your finances can help you overcome challenges and stay on track. Remember, building net worth is a marathon, not a sprint. Stay patient and keep moving forward. Educating yourself about personal finance is one of the best ways to grow your net worth. Read books, take courses, and stay informed about financial trends. The more you know, the better equipped you'll be to make smart decisions and build lasting wealth. Long-term planning is essential for building and maintaining your net worth. Set clear goals for the future, create a roadmap, and review your progress regularly. Planning ahead helps you stay focused and prepared for whatever life brings. In summary, net worth is a powerful tool for understanding and improving your financial health. By calculating your net worth, tracking it over time, and making informed decisions, you can take control of your financial future. Remember, it's not about where you start, but the steps you take to move forward. Start today and watch your net worth and your confidence grow.